Really having a shared space where all of the data exists was really important. A system that's robust enough and customizable enough to meet the varying needs of each of our projects was also really important. So we were looking for a product that would be easy to adopt. And Limelight, has a look and feel that's similar to Excel. And that's something that most people are familiar with. And all of our projects were familiar with. Controls were huge with over 100 projects. That means that many users, then some. We would have, budget inputters, et cetera, that would work on these things. So we need to make sure that all of this is very, very controlled, segmented, meaning one project can't see another project's data. Those sorts of things were extremely important to us, and Limelight was able to accommodate that. Even the collaborative notes we weren't able to do. You can note anything in Limelight as well. So then if two folks are working on the same budget, they can see the changes. There's audit trails. There's all of those things, which again, you can have some of that in Excel, but not to the same extent. It's more efficient, which is a huge plus. Excel is just not efficient.